I have found a fabulous, beautiful dupe for the Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. Not only is my dupe more affordable, but it's also clean and cruelty-free. So stick around. Hello everyone, I'm JodyLynn and welcome back to Aging Naturally, where we talk all things makeup and skincare and I bring you cleaner, cruelty-free products. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. So I bought this because, you know, there's great reviews and everyone's talking about that this is like the new greatest and latest fabulous thing to give you that airbrush look. I went on Sephora and checked out the ingredients, and it claimed not to have parabens and all of the other stuff that I don't want in my products, and it claimed to also that this product was cruelty-free. However, when I got the product, it did say that it was filled with parabens, and so I was a little frustrated. So I went on the Charlotte Tilbury website, and if you look at the ingredient list, and it does say that it does have parabens. So just make sure, if that is something that you are being mindful of, always go back to the brand's website to ensure that the ingredient list is true. Also, if you are being mindful of cruelty-free products, she does not have the Leaping Bunny. However, she does say that this product is cruelty-free. Regarding her brand, she says that they are currently not testing on animals. So just keep that in mind. You might want to come back and check because that could change. So the dupe that I have is this very fabulous setting powder, and this is by Lawless, and this is the Seal the Deal setting powder. I have been loving products from this brand, and this does not disappoint. Not only is this more affordable, but it is also cruelty-free, talc-free, and it's a clean product. This product retails for $36 for 29 grams, while the Charlotte Tilbury retails for $45 for 9 grams. So let's go ahead and look at some footage and do a comparison of the two. So here I just wanted to show you what it looks like under the eye area as well. It does give you some minimization in the pore area, which I really love, and I just think it looks really flawless. It does not crease as well under the eyes. So this is going to be the comparison on this side. This is where I put the Charlotte Tilbury on this side, and I just want to make note also that the Charlotte Tilbury powder is in a medium, so you will see a difference in color slightly. And then the other side is going to be the Lawless side. And I just really feel it gives that airbrush look just as well. That really beautiful soft focus. Let's see both sides here. I did not see a difference, especially from far away, which I will show you far away as well here in just a moment. Here's far away. Charlotte Tilbury on that side, and this is the Lawless. Just stunning. I really think that you guys are going to like this. It is definitely comparable to the Charlotte Tilbury's powder. Let me know if you have tried this and how you like it. I'm curious to know about your thoughts. So hopefully you found some value in this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Until next time.